Okay, today I want to show you how to install the BindPlane agent on Windows and start monitoring OS metrics and Windows events. So first we're going to launch the PowerShell, and I'm going to hit Control-Shift-Enter to launch it as admin. And then from BindPlane, click on the Agents tab and then choose Install Agent. And choose Windows. We'll copy this command here. You can also download the MSI from our repo and install it that way. But we'll paste that command and hit Enter. And then I'm going to navigate back to our Agents table. And in just a moment, we should see that agent connect. Boom. There it is. So very, very quickly, we've got a brand new agent installed, and it's instantly connecting to BindPlane, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and build a configuration to deploy to this agent. So if I switch to the Configurations tab, I will hit Create Configurations. We'll give this a name. We'll call it Windows Event. And we'll choose our platform, Windows. Add a source, and we'll do Windows Events. Collect everything. And let's get some OS metrics. So we'll add the host source. We'll leave the defaults and hit Save. And then we will decide where we want to ship that telemetry. We're going to choose Google here. I have a destination already configured, but we have another video, and then the next one in this series actually that shows you actually how to configure your Google Cloud destination. So if you don't know how to do that, you haven't done it yet, check that video out next. We'll hit save. There we go. We've got our configuration built. You can see that visualized very nicely on the topology here, where we've got our sources on the left, the destination on the right, and then in the middle, our processing nodes, where you can do all sorts of transformations. We have lots of videos that walk through the types of things you can do with processors. Okay, so let's apply this to our agent. Hit Apply Config. There's our agent. Apply. And now we need to roll this out. So we'll hit Start Rollout. You'll see that quickly reconfigured and connected again. The rollout is complete. And now this agent is running the configuration we just built. To validate that, I'm going to click on one of these processor nodes, and on the left is where we get a snapshot of the data passing through the agent. And so you can see we are seeing some logs coming through. If I switch over to metrics here, I'll do the same thing. Sure enough, we've got some OS metrics passing through the pipeline. And pretty quickly here, you'll see some measurement numbers started to pop up. It takes a minute or so for these to settle and become accurate, but this is a good indication that data is starting to pass through the pipeline, and we'll be able to monitor this to kind of further verify, and as it settles over the next minute or two, really confirm exactly how much data we're collecting. All right, that's it. Really easy to get started installing the BindPlane agent on Windows. Like I said, check out the next video if you need help setting up a Google Cloud destination. All right, we'll catch you in the next one.